This is what it takes to build a 380-foot luxury high-speed trimaran, a massive engineering project where precision, scale, and innovation come together. The vessel under construction is Hull 394, soon to enter service as the Bajamar Express. Designed to carry large numbers of passengers at high speed without compromising comfort, it represents the latest generation of high-performance ferry design. The work is taking place at one of Austal's advanced shipyards. The Australian shipbuilder is globally recognized for producing some of the world's most sophisticated high-speed commercial and military vessels. What you're witnessing is one of the most significant stages of the build. The passenger cabin, capable of accommodating up to 1,100 passengers, has been fully assembled and is now ready to be lifted and integrated with the main hull. This high-speed ferry carries a price tag of approximately $74 million, which is around 70 million euros. It's a major milestone that brings the Bajamar Express one step closer to hitting the water. Spanish ferry operator Fred Olsen Express ordered 2 identical vessels in 2017, with both delivered in 2021. From initial construction to final delivery, each ferry required more than 3 years of work. The second is the hull and bridge structure, which contains the vessel's propulsion systems, navigation equipment, and operational controls. The trimaran is built in 2 primary sections. The first is the passenger cabin, which houses seating and amenities for travelers. Separating the build into these major modules allows construction teams to work on different sections simultaneously, improving efficiency while maintaining the high level of precision required for a vessel of this scale. Every movement is carefully controlled, as thousands of tons of structure must align with remarkable precision. Powerful transport vehicles slowly maneuver the lower hull section of the trimaran into position beneath the elevated passenger cabin. The vessel is being built by Austal, the Australian shipbuilder founded in 1988. Today, the company employs nearly 6,000 people and is one of the world's leading manufacturers of high-speed ferries and advanced naval vessels. Although this sequence appears to take only minutes on screen, the positioning, alignment, and integration process actually takes several days to complete before the ferry is ready to enter the water. What you're watching here is the final assembly of the Bajamar Express at Austal's Henderson Shipyard in Western Australia. With the major sections now joined and the exterior painting largely complete, the vessel is approaching its first launch. Austal operates 3 major shipbuilding facilities. Defense vessels are designed and constructed in Henderson, Western Australia, and Mobile, Alabama, while commercial vessels are built in Balamban, Philippines. Austal incorporates advanced artificial intelligence into the design of its vessels through a proprietary software platform known as Deep Morpher. Once finished, the Bajamar Express will be capable of carrying up to 1,100 passengers, 278 vehicles, and 750 tons of cargo, combining impressive capacity with the speed and efficiency of a modern trimaran design. The AI-powered tool analyzes and optimizes monohull, catamaran, and trimaran hull designs, allowing engineers to fine-tune performance for specific operating conditions. One of the most impressive results of this technology is the Express 5, a 370-foot high-speed catamaran developed in close partnership with Danish ferry operator Molslinjen. By evaluating countless design variations, Deep Morpher helps improve efficiency, fuel consumption, speed, and overall vessel performance long before construction begins. Today, the vessel operates as Bornholm's Linjen Express 5 and holds the distinction of being the world's largest high-speed ferry catamaran. Combining exceptional size, speed, and efficiency, it represents a new benchmark in modern ferry design. The Banyaderos Express is Fred Olsen Express's newest generation ferry entering service in 2021. It shares the same advanced design, engine configuration, and passenger capacity as its sister ship, the Bajamar Express. You are now looking at Austal's Balamban Shipyard in the Philippines, where the entire Banyaderos Express trimaran ferry was constructed. The vessel operates between the Canary Islands, connecting Gran Canaria and Tenerife with high-speed service designed for both efficiency and comfort. The ferry is powered by 4 MTU diesel engines, each producing 9,100 kilowatts, 12,200 horsepower. These engines drive 4 Kamewa water jets, giving the vessel a cruising speed of 38 knots and an operational range of around 710 nautical miles. Building the two ferries at separate shipyards allowed construction to happen simultaneously. The Bajamar Express was built in Australia, while the Banyaderos Express was manufactured in the Philippines, significantly improving the overall production timeline. After the ferry reaches the water, the final stages of construction continue. Engineers complete the interior, fine-tune the equipment, and carry out extensive testing of every onboard system before delivery. Inside, passengers can enjoy a modern travel experience with multiple bars, kiosks, retail areas, and even a dedicated children's playground. Before entering regular service, the vessel also undergoes additional sea trials with Fred Olsen Express to ensure it meets all performance and safety requirements. With their combination of speed, capacity, and comfort, these high-performance ferries are perfectly suited for the demanding routes between the Canary Islands. The vessel can carry up to 926 passengers and 250 vehicles, while reaching an impressive service speed of 37.5 knots. Today it operates in the Caribbean, serving routes around Trinidad and Tobago. Around 450 employees at Austal's Shipyard in Vietnam contributed to the construction of this high-speed catamaran. The ferry incorporates Austal's latest smart ship technology, including an advanced motion control system designed to reduce vessel movement and provide a smoother, more stable journey for both passengers and crew. This complex procedure marks the final step before the vessel begins its life as a high-speed passenger ferry. Launching a vessel of this size is a major operation. The process takes around 5 days and begins with the ferry being transported from Austal's Vung Tau Shipyard in Vietnam, using a self-propelled modular transporter. It is then carefully moved onto a barge before being transferred to open water. This is Royal Huseman's classic Ketch, a masterpiece from one of the world's most respected yacht builders. Its reputation for quality, innovation, and meticulous craftsmanship has made Royal Huseman a benchmark in the world of luxury yacht construction. Founded in 1884, the Dutch shipyard has spent more than 140 years crafting some of the finest and most technologically advanced sailing and motor yachts ever launched. The largest yacht ever built by the company stretches an impressive 90 meters, or 296 feet, highlighting the extraordinary scale and capability of this historic shipyard. The vessel would later be unveiled as PHI, a striking 58-meter or 192-foot super yacht that pushed the boundaries of modern yacht engineering. What you're seeing here is the construction of Project 403 at Royal Huisman's facility in Vollenhove, Netherlands. Designed and engineered to remain below the critical 500 Hobart gross ton threshold, PHI achieved a remarkable distinction upon completion, becoming the longest motor yacht in the world within its class. This crucial stage of construction is completed long before the yacht receives its final paintwork, engines, and luxurious interior. Reaching this size while remaining under 500 GT required an exceptional level of design efficiency and engineering precision. At this point, the focus is on assembling the vessel's primary structure with absolute precision, creating the foundation for everything that follows. Construction of the yacht's welded steel framework requires transportation by heavy-duty trucks and tractors. The yacht cruises comfortably at 12 knots and is capable of speeds exceeding 22 knots when required. One of the most critical stages is the installation of the captain's bridge onto the keel of Project PHI. This operation takes place inside the production hall, using massive overhead cranes integrated into the shipyard's ceiling. From her revolutionary engineering to her refined interior spaces, PHI stands as a showcase of what is possible when cutting-edge technology and world-class yacht building come together. Inside, the yacht is every bit as remarkable. The interior was designed by the renowned London-based studio Lawson Robb, combining contemporary luxury with bespoke craftsmanship to create an environment that is both elegant and highly functional. The name PHI reflects the mathematical formula of natural proportions, which inspired the yacht's design. Its decks are themed around three concepts: the galaxy, the ocean surface, and the underwater world. For comfort at sea, PHI is fitted with 2 advanced gyro stabilizers, and among her unique features is an infinite wine cellar for the ultimate onboard indulgence. This stunning vessel accommodates 12 guests, including a luxurious penthouse-style owner's suite, as well as up to 11 crew members, with the capacity to expand if needed. The Royal Huisman Shipyard complex may not be enormous, but it is highly efficient. To move a yacht of this size, a giant multi-wheeled tractor carefully transports her towards the water. Royal Huisman has also produced other masterpieces, such as the Ngoni Super Yacht, valued at around $50 million with annual running costs of approximately $1 million. When it is time for launch, the yacht is lifted by 2 colossal PHI-branded cranes. Extreme precision and caution are vital. After all, tens of millions of dollars are suspended in the air. Despite her immense sail area, Ngoni relies on a manual steering system, deliberately designed without power assistance. Light, firm, highly responsive, and adjustable. It is 213-foot sailing yacht that represents the next generation of high-performance luxury yacht design. This is Royal Huysman's renowned shipyard in Vollenhoven, the Netherlands. You are currently watching the design and construction of Project 408. What you're watching here is the laying and assembly of the yacht's keel, the structural backbone upon which the entire vessel will be built. Performance is at the heart of the design. The yacht will be constructed from lightweight Aluster aluminum and equipped with a state-of-the-art carbon fiber rig, reducing weight while maximizing strength and sailing efficiency. Although it may look like a collection of metal sections today, this is the first major milestone in a project that will eventually become one of the world's most advanced sailing superyachts. Complementing the design is an integrated rondel sailing system, one of the most sophisticated sail handling technologies available in the superyacht industry. One important stage is the inspection and testing of the propulsion units while the vessel remains on land, where engineers have full access to every component. This yacht reached the water at the end of 2024, when her sea trials began. She was delivered to her new owner in May 2025. Each propeller is powered by its own independent motor and can rotate through a full 360 degrees. This advanced azimuth propulsion system provides exceptional maneuverability, allowing a yacht of this size to move with remarkable precision in marinas, shipyards, and tight harbors around the world. Their expertise has helped establish the Dutch Shipyard as one of the most respected names in luxury yacht construction. More than 370 highly skilled craftsmen, engineers, welders, designers, and technicians work at Royal Huysman, where every yacht is built as a unique, one-of-a-kind creation. In this footage, the completed yacht is carefully moved out of the production hall on a massive transporter, marking one of the final steps before launch. Another remarkable yacht to emerge from this shipyard is this Nilaya, a 155-foot sailing super yacht that showcases Royal Huysman's expertise in lightweight construction and advanced yacht design. Nearly 100 highly skilled Royal Huysman craftsmen and specialists contributed to the construction of Nilaya, combining decades of traditional Dutch yacht building knowledge with modern engineering techniques. Built using advanced composite materials, Nilaya is approximately 11% lighter than a comparable aluminum yacht. The operation requires absolute precision, with every movement carefully controlled to protect the vessel's structure. This is the largest hull ever built at Royal Huysman Shipyard, a massive 90-meter or 295-foot. This is Project 405, called Featherlight, a 46-meter or 150-foot sailing superyacht built by Royal Huysman. A process that may look simple on camera actually demands incredible precision, as every movement must be controlled to protect the structure and maintain perfect alignment during construction. During construction, the yacht's hull is first welded completely upside down, allowing engineers easier access and greater precision during assembly. This turning operation is a major milestone in the build process. Once completed, the yacht enters the outfitting phase, where thousands of specially selected and custom-developed components are installed. But before the next stage can begin, the massive hull must be carefully rotated into its correct position, using heavy-duty cranes. Designed with an extreme focus on weight reduction, Featherlight uses advanced carbon composite construction to achieve exceptional performance and remain highly competitive on the regatta circuit. The largest superyachts can be longer than 150 meters, making them comparable in size to small cruise ships. Hull rotations are a familiar sight at Royal Husman Shipyard. In another impressive operation, Project 406, a 52-meter, 171-foot luxury yacht, is also turned using 4 enormous cranes working together in perfect coordination. Large super yachts can have crews of dozens of people, including captains, engineers, chefs, deckhands, and hospitality staff. The Netherlands, Italy, Germany, and Turkey are among the major super yacht building countries, known for highly specialized shipyards. Superyacht owners often travel seasonally, spending summers in places like the Mediterranean and winters in the Caribbean or other tropical regions. So the first phase of building a superyacht is mainly design and engineering. This stage is very important because these yachts are so big, complex, and custom-made. There are only about 60 of the world's largest superyachts. Currently, only about 2 to 4 superyachts of this size are built in the world each year. It usually takes 3 to 5 years to build a superyacht, from the first plans to the day it's ready to sail. Hulls are usually made from aluminum or steel, while superstructures often use lighter composites to improve stability. Cutting-edge materials and techniques like carbon fiber masts or hybrid propulsion systems are commonly used. Besides manual welding, CNC machines are increasingly used for cutting and shaping hull components. Only a few superyachts are built each year, making them extremely rare. The world's top shipyards usually produce just a handful annually, ensuring that every yacht receives meticulous attention and exceptional craftsmanship. After a superyacht is fully constructed and launched, it usually needs help to leave the dock. Tugboats gently push or pull the yacht to guide it out of the shipyard canal or dry dock. Every yacht is almost entirely custom built for the owner. No 2 superyachts are identical. Interiors can include cinemas, spas, swimming pools, helipads, submarines, or even ice rinks. This is important because superyachts are very large and heavy, and maneuvering in tight spaces can be difficult. Bonetti operates 3 major shipyards, Viareggio, Fano, and Livorno, where some of the world's most prestigious superyachts are built. Now you can compare this with the manufacturer Bonetti. Right now, you are watching the assembly of a luxury ship at the shipyards in Livorno, Italy. During construction, each yacht is transported between specialized production halls where different stages of the build take place. Every area of the shipyard has a specific purpose, from structural work and engineering to finishing and final preparation. The vessel is carefully lowered into a dry dock chamber, which is then slowly filled with seawater until the yacht gently begins to float for the first time. Once the interior is fully installed and every detail has been finished, the superyacht is ready for launch. At this stage, the teams are working on multiple systems simultaneously. While engineers focus on the yacht's electrical installation, other specialists are applying the final exterior paintwork, bringing the vessel closer to completion. With its 6-deck profile, elongated bow, tall protective bulwarks, and clean open cockpit design, FB275 has a unique presence unlike any other yacht of its size. Together, Azimut and the Benetti Group employ around 2,300 people across their global shipbuilding facilities, combining advanced technology with decades of Italian craftsmanship. Bringing such a vessel to life required the combined effort of more than 350 specialists, craftsmen, and technical experts, each contributing to one of Benetti's most ambitious projects ever completed. This is Oceanco, one of the world's most exclusive privately owned custom superyacht builders. Every yacht built here is a one-of-a-kind creation, designed around the owner's exact vision. Founded in 1987, the Dutch Shipyard specializes in creating enormous custom mega yachts, with a focus on vessels exceeding 80 meters, or 260 feet in length. Oceanco is owned by Omani billionaire Mohammed Al Barwani and has established itself as one of the leading names in the global superyacht industry. This is Oceanco Project Jubilee, an impressive 110-meter or 360-foot mega yacht. Completed as one of the world's largest private yachts, she was sold in 2017 for approximately 275 million euros, or around $288 million. The shipyard has delivered dozens of custom yachts, including vessels reaching up to 117 meters in length, while several yachts over 100 meters are currently under construction. The creation of every Oceanco yacht begins digitally. Designers spend months developing the overall concept, shaping the exterior lines, interior spaces, and technical systems before everything is converted into a detailed construction plan. From the first piece of steel to the final delivery, building a super yacht of this size typically takes between 2 and 4 years. Despite the size of the shipyard, Oceanco's production capacity remains highly exclusive. Only a limited number of mega yachts can be built at the same time, ensuring each project receives maximum attention and precision. The process involves thousands of individual components and the work of hundreds of specialists. The shipyard has the ability to construct multiple yachts in the 80-meter-plus category while maintaining the craftsmanship expected from one of the world's most demanding luxury industries. Building these enormous vessels is a gradual process. Large hull sections begin as smaller components, which are carefully welded together piece by piece until the final shape of the yacht emerges. In 2022, Oceanco was also involved in the construction of a 127-meter or 417-foot, $500 million sailing yacht project commissioned by Jeff Bezos, founder of Amazon. Throughout the shipyard, massive transporters move thousands of tons of yacht structure with incredible precision. What truly separates Oceanco is its focus on customization. Almost anything a client can imagine can be engineered and built here, turning a personal vision into a fully operational floating masterpiece. Every stage, from welding and engineering to painting and finishing, is carefully coordinated. Painting a mega yacht of this size is a major operation on its own. A huge scaffolding structure must be built around the vessel, creating a controlled environment where painters can achieve the flawless finish expected on a luxury yacht. Because the production hull has limited height, certain components, such as the large radar mast, now cannot be installed indoors. These final structures are added later once the yacht is outside. At this stage of construction, multiple operations are happening simultaneously. While one team continues welding the yacht's structure, other specialists are preparing the exterior, installing complex systems, and producing the custom interior elements. After years of construction, the mega yacht is finally ready to leave the shipyard. The vessel is carefully moved out of the production facility and prepared for launch. Damen Yachting is one of the Netherlands' most respected yacht builders, combining centuries of maritime heritage with advanced engineering, innovative design, and world-class craftsmanship. The first time in the water does not mean the process is finished. The yacht enters a detailed testing phase that lasts several weeks, during which engineers check engine performance, navigation systems, controls, and every major onboard function. This is the final stage of completion of the Sea Explorer 77, a luxury expedition yacht designed to explore some of the most remote and challenging regions of the planet. On the upper deck, the yacht features a dedicated helipad, allowing guests to access remote destinations that are impossible to reach by conventional transport. The Sea Explorer series is built for adventure without sacrificing comfort. These yachts are engineered to travel far beyond traditional cruising routes, with reinforced structures, extended range, and specialized equipment for navigating harsh ocean environments. Inside, the focus is on space, comfort, and luxury, with a large interior layout designed for long voyages at sea. The Sea Explorer 77 seen here measures 77 meters, or 252 feet in length, and can accommodate up to 12 guests, offering a combination of expedition capability and 5-star comfort. While Damen Yachting builds a wide range of vessels, Amels, a dedicated division within the group, focuses exclusively on creating custom luxury super yachts. Another example of Damen Yachting's engineering expertise is the 89-meter, or 290-foot super yacht Illusion Plus. The Illusion Plus is currently recognized as the longest super yacht ever built in Asia, representing a major achievement in modern yacht construction. Here you can see the yacht's impressive engine room and advanced control center. The systems that allow this enormous vessel to travel the world's oceans with precision and reliability. Hidden inside her massive lower-deck garage is a collection of smaller vessels, including tenders, boats, and jet skis, allowing guests to explore remote destinations far beyond the main yacht. Inside, Illusion Plus offers a true luxury experience. The yacht includes a private spa with a beauty salon, a fully equipped gym, a cinema lounge, elegant dining spaces, and multiple living areas. The exterior spaces are designed for relaxation and entertainment, featuring huge open decks, 2 jacuzzi pools, a touch-and-go helipad, and multiple social areas overlooking the ocean. Accommodation is equally impressive, with 8 staterooms for up to 16 guests. The highlight is the enormous 80-square-meter full-beam master suite, providing a level of space normally found in luxury residences. Powering this enormous vessel is an advanced Rolls-Royce diesel-electric propulsion system, delivering efficient performance, smooth operation, and the reliability needed for worldwide cruising.